Hi, in this video I'll show you how to share files with others. What do I mean by that? Well, we will write a script which uploads a file to a web server and then generates a public link to that file. So Python will do the uploading and it will create a link as a string. Now, of course, we need to use a third-party service, a third-party cloud service where to upload the file. But the good news is we will use a free service, and that is called Filestack. So for this to work, you need to go to filestack.com and then go to My Apps, and then down here create a new app. You want to go to the free app, and once you create it, you will get this API key which will show in here. So you want to copy that and have it ready in Python in variable API key as a string. And then we need to use the Filestack library for Python, which is the API library of Python to interact with the Filestack cloud service. So from Filestack, we want to import client. Client is a class which we need to instantiate here. So client, and it expects the API key as argument. Then what we want to do is create a new link, which is equal to client.upload. And here you want to specify the name of the argument equal to, so this will point to the name, to the file path of the file we want to upload. For that, I'm going to create a new file here, such as file.txt. So I'm going to upload this text file to Filestack. Just some sample contents inside the file, and we're ready to provide the path to that file in here. So file path is equal to file.txt. File.txt is in the same directory with main.py, so all we have to provide here is the name of the file. And finally, we want to print out new link.url. So the URL property will give us the public URL for this file. With that, we're ready to run the code. Filestack will be installed because it is a third-party library. So if you're running this locally, you need to install Filestack first. And that's the URL. So Filestack can be installed using pip install filestack-python. So let's look at the URL. If you click that URL, it will take you to the file that was uploaded, and that's the content of the file. Since this is a text file, my browser automatically displays it, but you can save the page as a text file if you like. So my file is now uploaded in the cloud, and we used Filestack as a free service to be able to do this. So if you're using another cloud service, you need to go through the API documentation of the file service you're using. And the chances are that there will also be Python tutorials on how to upload files to that cloud service. So this was how to upload files on Filestack. Thank you.